Good day. My name is Good Day. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-intro na naman. Kasi, nakalipas ang isang buwan. Wala akong upload. Hello. This video, supposedly, dapat right after nung Dressing Like Stratford Sisters from 10 Things I Hate About You. Kaya long overdue na siya. Film ko na to before but I wasn't satisfied sa mga suot ko. So, ilang beses ko siyang watch, ilang beses kong pinanood, ilang beses ko nakikita yung clips and edits sa TikTok. Kaya tayo napunta sa point na to. Without further ado, simulan na natin ang kaartehan. Yes, you don't need to see my face, you just need to see the outfit. And the very first one is kay Karen. So, I don't have a cardigan like her, pero this is a cardigan. This is sheer. Ito yung nasa profile picture ko, sis. Tapos, ito, I don't have a tube top too, so I'm wearing a t-shirt instead, and this skirt, this is not a skirt, this is a dress. It's very maliit na dress. Kaya nag-layer ako ng another skirt under this and stockings. And I'm matching the outfit with this bag. It's a long bag na wala ka talagang malagay kundi ang cellphone at makeup mo. I don't have a cap kaya nagiging weird siyang tignan kaya tinanggal ko na lang. And I just want to give you a closer look sa itong thing na to. Naalala ko dito si Daphne pero I don't care. It's cute. Wearing this feels very different kasi nga layer na layer siya. So, ang dami kong sinuot. Parang apat na damit para masuot ang outfit na to. Teacher ang atake. Oh. Pass your papers. Kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch and for the second outfit, we're gonna do Lisa. This is gonna be the pantaas I'm going to wear. It's a razorback. And then for the skirt, I'm gonna do her white party outfit nga pala. And for the skirt, I'm gonna use this top. Nakita niyo naman na sinira ko yung sleeves niya. Kaya gagawin ko siyang skirt. O, diba? Nagawa ko. I think kapag pumunta ako dun sa white party ng white chicks, mag-blend in ako dun. Thank you, Lisa, for this. For your outfit that I can use as inspiration. This is good. Ito lang talaga. I wish I could repair this into an actual skirt. I would say ito yung pinaka-chill among the outfits that I have. This outfit screams white party and we're going shopping. This is what I'm wearing for the third outfit. And I'm not gonna tayo. Charot. Para sa third outfit, kay Lisa pa din. And this is the outfit that she wore during her Mama Mo na laban.
You want to talk about mothers? Oh, it's mother time!
Ang hirap niya i-recreate dahil nga puro iba-ibang shade ng brown ang meron ako. This is light, this is brown, and this bag is light brown. Similar naman siya dito pero you know what I mean? Tapos ayun nga, I don't have a checkered bag, I don't have a checkered or plaid
One day later.
cardigan. So, this is what I have. Tapos, I also, nakita ko sa detail ng outfit niya, meron siyang malapanyo or scarf sa bag na color pink. But I don't have a scarf, so this is the one that I'm still going to use for this outfit. She also have a pearl necklace. Kaya, ito yung sinuot ko. I don't have a headband. Gusto ko ng mga ganong klaseng damit na matching, set, nakakaloka. Sobrang matching niya from her head to bag. On to the next one. Nagiging gloomy na talaga yung panahon at patamad na ako ng patamad. Pero, ito na yung next outfit. Ito na yung pinaka-inaantay kong outfit na gawin. Out of all,
I am so freaking pissed.
Brittany. I don't have a poodle in me. I don't have a red bag in me. I don't have a white blonde hair wig with me, but this is what I have. Making my way downtown, walking fast. Let me share my amusement about this stuff. Because this is a double lining. And yes, I did say that I don't like double lining. Napagod ako sa kakasalita. I think that's the longest tuloy-tuloy na pagsasalita ko. Anyway, supposedly, ang suot ko dito is yung corduroy na jacket. The one that I wore from Lisa's outfit. Tapos, I don't have a bright pink or pastel pink na sandal. So this is what I wore. It's a lace sandal. And then, this is what I paired with. Inukay ko tong jacket nung birthday ko last year. Pero, nung binili ko siya, hindi siya kasya sa akin. Ayun. Hindi pa din pala kasya sa akin. Kasi ang problema ko dito is hindi ko mataas yung kamay ko. Tapos lumiliit siya dito. Meron din pala siyang pearl necklace and pearl bracelet that hindi ko mahanap yung pearl bracelet ko. I don't know why. See, this is one of the reasons why natural lighting is the best because look at that. Ngayon lang siya lumiwanag ng ganito kaayos pero kanina nasipritan yung ginagawa ko. Gloomy ng panahon, sis. Pabago-bago. So yeah, I love it. I love it so much. Even though magkakaiba sila ng texture, ito cotton, ito, I don't know, pero mainit siya. Hindi siya polyester, hindi rin siya double lining. Pero, sa yon, jacket feel, jacket quality. And then my skirt is a knitted skirt for an outfit. Goods naman siya, I think. And ito, tiniklop ko siya because it looks long. Yung skirt kasi ni Tiffany, sobrang ikli. I don't think I can wear that.
Tandaan mo, honesty is the best policy. But we need cash, especially me.
See, ang ganda ng font. Okay, I finally found a good combination to match this thing. Kaya I'm gonna buy more. Something like this. Yay! Ito na yung last outfit. Isa lang ang outfit na meron ako para sa Vanderbilt Sisters. And this is their party outfit. Yung sa dance floor na nasayaw sila. And I did a little bit of Cortina Couture. Yes, since wala akong skirt na katulad nila, kaya ako nag-Cortina Couture. And lapit din naman sila sa beach. So it's giving white party beach din. Pag naiisip ko yung mga 2000s movies, talagang pink, green, violet. Alam mo yun? Alam mo yung color palette din ng Jawbreaker. Something like that. Ang bet ko sa outfit na to is that it's pink pastel and not hot pink. Feeling ko kasi hindi bagay sa akin ng hot pink. I like this outfit. It's very good. It's very... Lahat to, puro damit na kung ano lang ang meron ako. Kaya all of them are very much simple. This is going to be the end of the White Chicks lookbook. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed just as much as how I enjoyed dressing up as the divas of 2000s.